The Blair Witch Project of ultra-violent first-person shooter killer cyborg movies, Hardcore Henry sounded completely insane to me. And it is, but it's insane fun. Henry is a part human, part battery-powered creature that we don't see because we see everything through his eyes. We first meet him while he's in a sensory deprivation-like vat and is awakened by a beautiful woman in a lab coat named Estelle, who says that she is his wife. Before he can have his memory or his ability to speak restored, armed thugs led by a madman named Akan take over the facility, capture Estelle. Henry escapes and he goes on a mission to save her. We only see Henry's hands, usually holding weapons and firing them, and his feet when he lands from jumping or leaping from a high place, which he does with the frequency of an expert in parkour. The chases and shootouts are completely crazy and incredibly violent and accompanied by pounding electro beat music, although in one scene we hear Queen's "Don't Stop Me Now." Henry repeatedly runs into a kind of helper named Jimmy, played by Charlton Copley of District 9. Jimmy keeps getting killed, but then coming back in somewhat different but recognizable form. Copley pulls off a chameleon-esque performance that evokes Peter Sellers in Dr. Strangelove. It's really something to see. The only film I can compare Hardcore Henry to is the Japanese cult classic Tetsuo Iron Man. Go Henry!